Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here. Let's talk about those subtle changes in your body that might seem like no big deal at first, but could actually be sending you a signal to see your doctor. We often brush off little things, but sometimes those little things are actually early warning signs of something more serious going on. In this video, I'm going to break down 5 body changes you should absolutely never ignore and why it's so important to bring them up with your doctor. So, you're stepping on the scale and notice the numbers going down, but you haven't been trying to lose weight. That's what we call unexpected weight loss, and it can be a real head-scratcher. Now, before you start celebrating, it's important to understand that unexplained weight loss isn't always a good thing. Sure, sometimes it's as simple as changes in diet or activity levels, but other times it can be a sign of an underlying medical condition. We're talking about things like thyroid problems, diabetes, even certain types of cancer. These conditions can rev up your metabolism or interfere with your body's ability to absorb nutrients, leading to weight loss. Your skin is the largest organ in your body, and it's pretty good at letting you know when something's off. If you've noticed any sudden or dramatic changes in your skin, it's time to pay attention. This could be anything from new moles that appear out of nowhere, moles that change shape or color, a rash that spreads like wildfire, or even severe acne that seems to have come out of the blue. These changes can sometimes be signs of skin cancer, autoimmune disorders, or hormonal imbalances. Remember, early detection is key when it comes to skin cancer, so don't hesitate to get checked out by a dermatologist if you notice anything suspicious. We all experience aches and pains from time to time, but what about pain that just won't quit? If you're dealing with persistent or unusual pain that hasn't responded to over-the-counter pain relievers or home remedies, it's definitely time to schedule a visit with your doctor. We're talking about pain that lasts for more than a few weeks, comes and goes mysteriously, or is severe enough to interfere with your daily life. This type of pain could be a sign of anything from arthritis to a pinched nerve to something more serious. Don't just grit and bear it. Getting a proper diagnosis is crucial for finding the right treatment plan. Okay, let's talk about something nobody really enjoys discussing: bathroom habits. While it might seem a little awkward, it's important to pay attention to what's going on down there. If you notice any significant changes in your bowel movements or urination that last for more than a few weeks, it's time to talk to your doctor. This includes things like persistent diarrhea or constipation, blood in your stool or urine, or a sudden increase in urinary frequency or urgency. These changes could be signs of a wide range of conditions, from irritable bowel syndrome to urinary tract infections to even colon cancer. We all feel tired now and then, but extreme fatigue is a whole different ballgame. I'm talking about that bone-crushing exhaustion that doesn't go away even after a good night's sleep. If you're constantly feeling wiped out and it's affecting your ability to function normally, don't just chalk it up to a busy schedule. Extreme fatigue can be a sign of a variety of medical conditions, including anemia, thyroid disorders, sleep apnea, depression, and even heart disease. It's important to get to the root of the problem so you can start feeling like yourself again. Your body has a pretty amazing way of communicating with you. When something's off, it will send you signals, and it's up to you to listen. These 5 body changes might seem small on the surface, but they can be early warning signs of something more serious. Remember, you know your body best. If something feels off, don't hesitate to reach out to your doctor. Early detection and treatment are key to staying healthy and living your best life.